So friends, in this video you will learn how to improve your coding logic. Powered by Dubverse. What are those tips? Before knowing that, I want to put a like target in front of you. Friends, and the like target is of 50 likes. I have never put a like target in my video. Powered by Dubverse. So friends, the first tip is to solve simple problems. Friends, often coders make mistakes in the beginning. Powered by Dubverse. Powered by Dubverse. But friends should always solve simple problems in the beginning and should go towards difficult problems. Make simple projects. You think about those simple projects by yourself which you can make, and in the beginning make it without anyone's help. Then if there is a problem later. Powered by Dubverse. This will also increase your logic a lot. Positive attitude. Friends, remember that there is a solution to every problem in this world, whether it is a problem in the world. Or why not the problem of coding. Friends, there is nothing impossible in this world. So friends, believe in yourself. Do coding every day. So friends, tell us in the comment box. Powered by Dubverse.